So I'm going to keep that dorsiflexion eversion. Now I have stability through the foot, and it's a selective knee extension. Same thing, I'm going to build that knee extension. Good, yep, yep. Good. This is not passive, so we don't have feed forward postural control for a passive movement. If I want to get an APA activity, I need her to participate in this movement. Yep, yep, yep. And so I haven't told her to move her foot. I haven't told her to kick her leg, but I'm giving her encouragement when she's following my hands. I might say, go with me. I might provide a specific verbal cue, but to her and to her central nervous system, if I say, lift your foot, it's probably going to be this or this, right? So I have to be very careful with what terminology I use so that I get the movement pattern that I'm looking for.